front of me is Realme 5i, and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So at first let's open the settings, then find and select home screen and wallpaper right here, and now click on set wallpaper. And as you can see, you can pick the album from which you want to pick your wallpaper, so it can be something from static wallpapers, live wallpapers, or your own photos. I will pick static wallpapers, and now just select the one that you want to apply, for example this one. And now you can just set it as your home screen or lock screen, or obviously both, and I will pick both. Wait a couple of seconds, and from now on, as you can see, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your lock screen and also home screen of yours. And this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.